Todd.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are not in a great place. Where you got?
Tone, curious and reflective. Notice how the judge immediately asks where the defendant will go. This isn't small talk. Judges often probe living conditions to gauge stability, especially before releasing someone. A fixed address can mean the difference between jail time and a second chance.
Go if I let you out.
201 Portage Avenue, apartment 4.
All right, who's there?
Dustin Baldwin is there.
Dustin Baldwin. All right. Will somebody come pick you up? You need a bus pass to get the three of us.
If I could have a bus pass, that would be great.
That line, you could slice somebody with it, sounds dramatic, but it's real. Even harmless items like bus passes can be restricted inside facilities because of how easily they can be turned into makeshift weapons. A simple pass becomes a legal paradox. Freedom on paper, risk behind bars.
Yeah. When you get out of the jail, I'd give it to you, but they'll take it away from you. When you go back, you could slice somebody with it. If you walk up here, I'll give you a bus pass. I'll
Thank
give
you.
you the three of us, okay?
Thank you.
All right. 23 days credit, 23 days. Leaving 0 days to serve. There's a $125 fine and cost. You're barred from Myers for 1 year. I'll make that $125 due by December 3rd.
That for a while is the judge's subtle realism showing. He's seen this cycle before. Small crimes, short stints, promises to reform. It's compassion wrapped in caution. You can almost hear the experience in his voice.
All right. You're going to get out of jail. You're going to come up here. You're going to get a bus pass, and you're not going to get in any more trouble for a while. And probably a good plan would be to stay away from Mr. Salmon. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Lace is also back there. Vernon Barnett. Would you come forward, please? We're doing okay. Are you Vernon Lee Barnett?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Barnett, you're charged with
Here's a legal nugget. Driving on a suspended license might sound minor, but it's actually a criminal misdemeanor in most U.S. states. Judges take it seriously because it often signals repeated noncompliance, not just bad luck.
driving with a suspended license. That's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. It carries 2 points and it requires your license be suspended. The prosecutor has agreed to reduce that to a charge of allowing another.
That's a plea reduction, a lifesaver move in courtroom chess. The driver's offense shifts from a direct violation to an allowing one, meaning it won't even hit his driving record. Clean slate, lighter penalties, and fewer long-term consequences. Smart negotiation.
To violate the motor vehicle code. We've done several of those this morning. That one carries no points, doesn't go on your driving record, and should not affect your ability to keep or maintain your driving privileges. Do you understand?
I do understand.
All right, the ticket was in White Pigeon. No, it was in
in Cullen.
Cullen. At 8:20 at 7:30 on South Main. No, that's where you live. The ticket was at Borough.
It was by the apartments there in Cullen.
You were also going too fast. They gave you a warning.
Yeah.
Was your license suspended at that time?
Yes, sir.
Where were you going?
So the lady I was seeing at the time. It was actually her car.
Mr. Coaches must represent Colon as well. All right, you're revoked. Have you done anything to try to get your license back?
I have, Your Honor, on occasions. I just got out. So I'm in the process right now.
You should explain, right, he is on felony probation, and he's aware that this could be a probation violation. He has discussed it with his probation officer.
All right, are you living in the trailer park on Withers Road?
Yeah. The Withers Trailer Park.
Yeah, who you living there with?
Who am I staying with?
Yeah,
Myself.
okay.
Well, you know somebody?
No, I've had several cases out there recently
On Withers?
at that park.
Okay.
They've got septic issues and other problems out there.
I didn't know that.
Maybe you don't have any, count yourself lucky.
I worked a lot too.
All right, it carries a $100 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, $50 state minimum fee, and $150 attorney fee. That's a lot.
Yes, sure.
That's $375.
Judges know most defendants can't just drop hundreds in cash. By setting a payment plan, the court shows a touch of humanity, balancing justice with practicality. It's a rare moment of bureaucratic empathy.
100,
Yeah.
200, 375. I'm gonna put you on a payment plan for that.
Okay.
I'd like at least $50 per month.
That'll be no problem. Yeah.
All right, I want you to go out to the counter and,
Yes.
I'll give you one right here. Need two of these kind, then I'll get you back.
That'll take me out to the camera?
Yep,
Appreciate it. Thank you.
okay, you're good to go. Go out to the counter, the bailiffs may be able to assist you in calling for a ride. John, while you're there, what else do you have for me?
I have, we can do one. We have Morgan Kinsey, it's gonna just be set for last pretrial.
Let's do that one. Morgan Kinsey, file number 212533ST. This is an old case that got resurrected. And it was charged with failure to report an accident and operating without a valid operator's license. The matter was old because the defendant had failed to appear and we'd had some bench warrants, and she got in trouble in Cass County, and we got our case started in August. Mr. Bush, what's the status here?
We're gonna set up for last pretrial. You know?
Is she working on getting her license?
I don't know. That really is not a defense, so.
All right.
The license.
Miss Kinsey, are you still at the Elkhart address? Is that yes?
Yes.
All right,
It's just on Old Orchard Lane.
yes.
Okay.
All right, we'll set it for a last pretrial. I mean, another trip up here, but we'll see where this is headed. This is old, like I said, about 4 years old. And I don't know what the status of your license is now or what is what, but we'll work on that. I'll see you. I don't know the date yet. I will give it to you when I get it. All right, thank you. Amber Marie Ash.
This will be a plea, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are you Amber Marie Ash?
Enter Amber Ash, today's most relatable case. A skip scan theft, scanning cheap items, slipping through expensive ones, a trick that's landed countless shoppers in courtrooms. But here, the judge's approach is about redemption, not ruin.
Yes, sir.
Miss Ash, you got charged on a formal complaint with a retail fraud. They allege you're at the Walmart store on February 21st and did a skip scan. Let's see. It's alleged that you took a cart full of food and other items, $186.39. And the prosecutor's apparently okay doing a retail fraud deferral. Is that correct, Mr. Bush?
Yeah, and Mr. George, I think that confirmed that.
That's correct.
Oh, it's an ordinance case.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Well, Miss Ash, let's talk about that. What we do with a deferral, and I started this when I was prosecutor.
This is called a deferral. Basically, probation's kinder cousin. Complete a class, do community service, pay restitution, and your record stays clean. It's the justice system saying, we see your mistake, not your identity.
Long time ago. If you do what I ask you to do, they will take this charge off your record. In fact, they'll dismiss the case if you do the following things. You do the economic crime class, you pay any civil demands, and you do 10 hours of community service. And you'd be barred from Walmart during the time of this. You understand?
I do. I have a question.
Yes?
I delivered the Three Rivers newspaper, like, can I deliver that still?
Yes,
I think she's saying is, I think she dropped some off at the Walmart
I
store.
understand. Yes, you can do that. You can't shop in there.
Okay.
All right, so in order to do this, the first thing we have to do is have a plea of guilty. Did anyone threaten you to get you to plead to this charge
No, sir.
or promise you anything?
No, sir.
Were you in the Walmart store back in February with Mr. Cook?
Yes.
And did you take a shopping cart full of food?
Yes.
Is that what it was, food?
Yes.
That's probably why Mr. George is willing to do this. All right, I'm gonna set this for sentencing for Monday, December 8th,
At what time, Ron?
10:30.
That's fine.
And if you've done everything by that time, you don't even need to appear.
Okay.
Procedurally, what does she need to do?
I'm
to get
gonna have
under-
her take this form down to the probation department. They will explain about the economic crime class. Now, there should also be a restitution in there. They didn't recover the property. I want you to pay $186. Can I see that form? Do we know who's got the children out there, which case that is?
I do not know the case offhand,
All
sir.
right. All right, Miss Ash, you take that down to the probation department.
Thank you, sir.
And they will get you done with today, but prep you for what you need to do for the economic crime class and community service. And hopefully you'll have everything done and we won't even have to be here on December 8th.
And that's the real balancing act of justice. Accountability meets opportunity. The judge leaves the door open, not to punishment, but to personal choice. Would you take that second chance or risk it all for $186 worth of groceries?
At 10:30. If you do that, the matter will be dismissed. If you don't, we'll proceed to sentencing.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. John, does that finish your case?
I have two more, please, Your Honor.
Oh, boy. Who's next?
I have Kamari Lockett, and then along with Miss Harden, we have Christy Benton.
All right, we'll do Mr. Lockett, then Miss Benton.
Thank you for your patience.
Jonah McLean, that's Ross's. All right, we're gonna be a while. Here it is. This is, I think, number 11. All right. Good morning. So are you Kamari LeVar Lockett?
Yes, sir.
We've met. I met you at your arraignment. You're charged with operating while intoxicated, as you saw. We've had a number of these.